Facebook marketing and remarketing strategy. You as business owner or service provider bringing very expensive traffic to your website via Google Ads, but you are not retargeting them via Facebook remarketing strategy. You are not using that strategy. But your competitors are using the same and taking your customers to their business. That is a big loophole in the marketing strategy of your business. It's truth to say that by using the wrong marketing strategy, you can't sell your best product or services. But by using right marketing strategy, you can sell your worst products and services. You know that Facebook is biggest social media platforms today, and there are nearly 3 billion month active users for that. By leveraging Facebook marketing and remarketing strategy of lead generation, you can take your brand and services to those of large number of interested prospects. But neither you know them nor they know about your brand or services. This is where BKM Marketing Hub Digital Agency comes in and takes your brand and service, your customer's experience, your customer testimonials, your brand name, your farm address and contact details to them without you stepping out your house at very low marketing expenses by using Facebook marketing and remarketing system. That gives you better results as well. We at BKM Marketing Hub can create a brand value to those people and can take your success story to those of interested prospects through low-cost Facebook marketing system. We will help you create a recall value of your brand and services in their mind and help your business capture large potential market and competitors' customers and increase customers' footfall, sales, and profits. Book 20 minutes free consultation with our agency where our experts will explain to you how to leverage the power of Facebook marketing and remarketing strategy for your business for generating more leads, sales, and profits. Contact us on WhatsApp +91 9191336920003, contact@marketinghub.com. Like and subscribe for more content like this.